Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a primary residence in Boldin. In this walkthrough, we'll add your home details so your plan reflects your real estate accurately. Have your latest mortgage statement and an estimate of your home's value nearby, and make sure you're signed in on a reliable browser. Start on the Boldin Overview dashboard. From here, open My Plan. This is the hub where your financial picture comes together, and it's where housing details will feed into your net worth and cash flow projections. Within My Plan, select Home and Real Estate. This section groups everything related to properties, whether you own a primary home or other real estate. Choose Primary Residence to begin entering your main home's information. Next, click the Edit icon. It typically looks like a small pencil and opens the form where you'll add or update your home data. Take a moment to scan the fields so you know what information to provide. Enter your home's current value. This is your best estimate of what the property would sell for today. You can base it on a recent appraisal, a comparative market analysis, or a well-researched estimate. If you're unsure, use a reasonable midpoint and update it later as you get better information. Enter whole numbers unless you have a precise figure, and let Boldin handle the currency format. Now enter your current mortgage balance. This is the amount you still owe on the home, found on your latest mortgage statement or lender portal. If your home is paid off, enter 0 here. Make sure this balance is current to avoid overstating or understating your home equity in the plan. Next, enter your payment. Use your regular mortgage payment amount, typically the monthly total. If your payment includes taxes and insurance through escrow, enter the combined number as shown on your statement. If those costs are separate, input only the mortgage portion here and track taxes and insurance where you normally do in your plan. Consistency helps Boldin calculate your cash flow correctly. When everything looks accurate, click Save. Boldin will update your plan to reflect your home's value, equity, and payment impact. Look for any confirmation or refresh figures in My Plan to verify that your changes took effect. You can return to the Primary Residence section and use the Edit icon anytime to refine values as the market changes, you make extra principal payments, or your escrow adjusts. Keeping this information current ensures your projections stay reliable and your plan remains aligned with your real-life housing picture.